Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make smoked prawns. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of vannamei prawn, 800 grams Grand Krust, 1 liter of mild olive oil, a handful of charcoal, and salt. Put the charcoal in a pan. Use a cooking torch to make coals. When you have coals, add oil and let it sit for 12 hours. Once the 12 hours have passed, strain the oil and put it in a pan with the prawns over low heat. When the prawns have begun to turn color, remove them from the heat and let them sit for 15 minutes before serving. You can use smoked prawns in salads. An excellent dressing would be a vinaigrette with a tablespoon of honey. Enjoy!